Whew. What's going on? Damn, I opened the wrong damn garage. Anyway, what's going on? So, we're back at it again. Got some parts in. Boop, boop, boop. But I'm only picking one of these to do. Quite frankly, I don't feel like being out here all day. So this box right here is the cluster. It is back. We are going to install that probably next week. All right, got some new displays uploaded from Anthony and Wireware. This is the ECU stuff to go ahead and make the ECU adaptations and patches and some other nice little shit that might go down. This, I totally forgot what this is because I've had quite a bit of shit coming in. Quite a bit of other customer orders to work out and ship out, and I'm glad to do so. Thank you, the Nissan guys, Nissan Infinity, whatever, we know it's a Nissan. Had a group of Nissan people order some parts, got them taken care of. New website, the website revision is gonna be up soon. Very wonderful layout, easily navigated, far better than the shit that's up there now. New products, MPC is the featured product, so you will be able to order your MPC products there for a very nice price, very good customer service, very quality company. Back to this, all right? So let's cut this box open and see what we got. There's a knife around here somewhere. Oh, right there. All right. All right. All right, so this is the NRG hood dampeners, all right? New, improved design, stainless steel ball joint. Whoopee! So, I do remember this now. Now let's cover it. Okay, so at a certain point in time, I thought about putting hood dampeners on the car, and then I just totally bailed out of it because I wasn't too sure about it. And quite frankly, I didn't really trust it. It was like another component or part that once you get it, because we all know what happens to hood, trunk, window dampeners, they all go out at some point in time. They stop holding the amount of weight they can, and then you put it up and you end up putting a vice grip in there, and or the shit ends up sliding down. So traditionally, I don't even like power windows or power door locks. I like everything manual. But the Integra this year, I think every year doesn't come power. So, I mean, it doesn't come manual, it comes power only. So that was a drawback for me because I'm cool with the old roll down. But anyway, let's pop the hood. So now this is what I will miss, okay? This is something else I didn't want to get rid of. When I close the hood on this car, I can just go about right here and drop it and it's shut. I don't have to put my hands up here to close it down due to any type of dampener or tensioning. This is what I came up with when I first started. All right, I duplicate colored, I forgot I dipped that, you know, a nice little warning orange. Maybe not so great, but I liked it. And you just simply put it here. Like so, that's so much easier, right? It's so easy. It takes no work. But the drawback is this. It doesn't look as cool as maybe a set of hood dampeners will look. So I said, you know what? Let's try it and see what we get. I'm not really sure how to install these, so we're gonna do it together. Let's open this box. Some more of this. So, let's see what we got in here. All right, so first thing we got are the ball tips. Looks like, I can't tell if there's two in here. Yes, there's two, left and right. Got that. Then we have that NRG warning and disclaimer of usage will be NRG sticker. And it looks like the instructions, some more ball tips, goodies. All right, you want NRG stuff, go to the website. And finally, the dampeners. Carbon fiber is said to be I'm likely to be inclined that these are some type of carbon fiber wrap, but I'm not judging. So anyway, let's get one of these and see what we got. Matter of fact, you know what? Let's get this bench cleared off. Let's do that. All right, we're back with a better, cleaner workspace. All right, so right here we got the instructions. Looks like we assemble these ball ends. There's a ball joint right there with the washer. There are those two bracket pieces I was looking at. So it looks like this is kind of going to be side mounted. We're going to have to take one of these. So we're going to lose one of the fender washers that we have on there in place of this ball joint. And then of course, it looks like we're going to have to come here and install another piece. That's what it looks like, but I'm not sure about that. So yeah, let's figure that out. This is what we got. Left, right, washer, and this. So you know this will be a first aid video. There, boom. All right, so I noticed right here we have some clips, or a clip in here. All right, so we'll put that right there. NRG, shitty ass directions. I mean, worse than Ikea. Ikea has better directions. So after fidgeting around with this crap, I realized what's going on. Look here, this indentation is going to be for this area right here. If you see the shape of that, the shape of this, it's going to pretty much overlay on that. Left side, right side are marked. This is the left side, so it should sit like this. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, at first glance, I'm not even sure that this is going to fit in that confined ass space. So we're going to find that out. I'm dead ass serious. This might be a product that I totally remove from the website and just tell you to stay away from it. All right, so let's get this shit together. Get this shit in, find the bolt size, and get to cranking on this. I would advise you not take these stickers off of here until you actually get them installed, so you don't mix them up, so you don't even have to worry about it. So fits like so. There we go. Now let's do the other side. All right, that's in. Now we have to deal with these. All right, we got two dampeners, all right, and the extenders. So basically these go on this side right here. This also comes apart. I don't really see a need to probably take both of these apart. So what I will do is just take this off, take that, and go ahead and see about putting these on now, and then screw this one in and see where this is going to end up extended. And I'm thinking that this is completely extended. Then I'll know which fender washer to take out to put these in. Definitely put a little grease on these, nothing too much, just a little bit. All right, I'm pretty sure this will just clip in. Nope, it doesn't. So you have to remove this retaining clip off of here, sliding it over. Let me show you a close. Remove this retaining clip by sliding it up and then just bringing it out like that. Put that down, put this on. There it goes. Now take this, slide this retaining pin back in, and there you go. And that's on. Now we'll take this piece, screw it on. So right there, ball joints met, screwed this on. Now we get to see where this meets. This falls right here in this area. There's no way it's gonna come down all the way here. So we're gonna take this fender washer out, second from the top, second from the cowling anyway, and then put this together and put these ball joints together and then do the other side. Get out of there. Got the synthetic grease, thread side as well. And then we'll put a little bit on the ball side. So now take this, screw this in. All right, so good old faithful trusty number 10 deep socket to get over the ball, getting down into here. We'll tighten that up. Go. Now this has the same type of retaining clip. Just push it down and over, slide it out. Do not lose it. Go ahead and tighten that down. And so you can turn the piston clockwise. Counterclockwise, it really wasn't working, but you can turn it clockwise. So go ahead and screw that all the way on. Turn it clockwise. Then go ahead and push your hood up. A little grease. You can pre-plan a little bit better after watching me. Get a little grease, let it down some until it slides on there. Now take your pin, find your hole, which is still on this side. Push that retaining clip in, wiggle this a little bit, probably to get you a little bit more space in there. As you see, it's not enough by itself. You're gonna need the second one. To just try to take my head off, slide that over. The first dampener in, and really before I even get into doing this other side, I want to see if this hood will close without interference, because if this side doesn't, the other side's not. And if I can't figure out why, this whole shit's abandoned. So let's see about that. Let's take this out of the way. Let's just dump it down in there and let's see. Let's see what we got. It looks like it. I really don't see anything rubbing. Honestly, it just might be one of those things where you're gonna have to force it and see what happens. I'd hate to force this situation. I'd hate to force this situation to see what happens. I really would. It would fucking piss me off if I screwed my hood. This is an OEM nice hood that I found, and it would piss me off if it scratched up this paint any more than shit that we already have. So at this point in time, I'm almost thinking about ditching this shit, but I hate not to finish. So we're gonna do the other side, see what happens. I really don't like this fitment though. I don't like the way it feels. I don't see anything rubbing necessarily in here. It just really doesn't have a good feel when you go to close the hood. It really doesn't have a good feel, but we're gonna do this other side because there's not much for us to do but take this fender washer out and put the other ball joint in, put the other dampener on, and see what happens. So let's go ahead and get that done. And voila, hood dampeners in. Spike this camera off. Hood dampener in. Now it's really time for the magic. Oh, or the bullshit. So either this is gonna be a waste of fucking time, which quite frankly isn't a bunch of time, but it's time I could have did something else, or it's gonna work. So like I said, when we did the test fit one, I really did not like the way it felt. It felt like it was binding. So let's see now. If so, of course, we'll leave the old trusty in there just in case, because I don't trust this system. And fuck it, let's go. It's magic hour. Whew. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Oh, and there it goes. All right, so here we go. It looks like everything's fit in there. None of the lines, the hood doesn't look popped up or protruding anyway. It looks good. So let's pop the hood and see if it comes up like normal. Don't mind that. The cluster isn't in yet. Let's pop the hood. All right, we got hood pop, so there's no real binding there. The hood did come up. It did pop, as you see. Let's go ahead, lift this thing up, and voila. Look at that. That does kind of look nice. That does kind of look like nice. I kind of do like the way that looks. I do. I mean, look at that. That's a nice look. We'll get rid of these stickers. Get rid of that sticker, clean it up. Hardware is fitting, nothing's binding. I like the way that looks. That's a pretty nice look. So there you go. Hood dampeners in. Looking good. There we go, people. I'm almost considering taking this out, but I'm not right now. I'm just gonna leave it, because the truth is, hood dampeners, you never know when they're gonna go out and you're gonna need that one. So if that does happen, I'll have to take these out. They're hard to find. Right now they're not readily available, probably because of COVID. And if they do get back in stock, you're talking about $100 and something a pop. I don't know how long these are gonna last, but that's definitely gonna be a review if they don't last inside of a year, because this car doesn't see a lot of road action. So if these don't last in this car for longer than a year, they're trash. All right. And more than likely I'll find me another hood prop, get it all powder coated black, put it in there so it kind of soaks into the engine bay instead of that orange. Or maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just leave that orange because I kind of like the safety feature of it all. But listen, that's it. We got the hood dampeners in. I like the way they look. Taking the stickers off is what I'm going to do next, but you don't need to see that, because if you don't know how to take stickers off, I can't help you anyway. So listen, that's it. Wolf Vision out.